friends, I'm so excited for today's video because this is going to be a 3-part series and you may not need to watch all 3 depending on what programs you have. I have now launched the Sublimation Shortcut. It's so exciting to me because I have told you guys time and time again that the best way to get started in digital products is to start with digital paper. Digital paper, you can create it once and then you can put it in a bunch of different templates to create multiple products for multiple listings fast. It's the most efficient way to do digital products. So in the next 3 videos, we are going to go over how to use the Sublimation Shortcut, which is completely free, of course. I will link it in the description box below, so make sure that you download it and snag one for yourself. I have created the Sublimation Shortcut for 3 different programs: for Affinity Designer, for Adobe Illustrator, and for Canva for those of you who do not have design programs. So no matter what, even a Canva free account, you can utilize the Sublimation Shortcut. In part 1, today's video, we are going to be going over Canva. So if you download the Sublimation Shortcut and you are going to be using it with Canva, this is the video that you're going to want to watch for how to use the templates and the shortcut for Canva. Well, are you ready? Let's go. All right, let's get started. So the very first thing you guys want to do is go to lfdcuniversity.com. There will be a link in the description box below, but regardless, you're going to head over here. Now, this is going to be my stand store, and I'm going to have a lot of different things here available for you guys in the future. But for right now, all we have up here is the newest freebie, and it's called the Sublimation Shortcut. So it may look different on your screen if you have an iPad or a cell phone or something that's mobile, but I'm on desktop, obviously, and this is what it looks like for me. So as long as it looks like this, you're in the right spot. So right up here, you're going to enter your name. So right up here, you're going to enter your name and your email. And what that's going to do is it's going to make it to where when you download it, it's going to go straight to your email. Okay, so you're going to hit download for free and it's going to send you an email with the link to download the file. So it's that simple. It's very quick, very easy. Once you have downloaded from that email, you're going to get a zip file. And the zip file is going to look like this. It's going to say the Sublimation Shortcut by LFDC University, and it's going to be zipped. You're going to need to double click that, and when you do, you're going to see the different file types. Now, you are welcome to download any of these. Like I said, they are free. No worries at all. All I say is that if you have people that you know that would benefit from this, please have them go and get it themselves. That way I can keep track of how many people are really enjoying the product, because if you just send it to somebody else, then I'm not going to know that it's getting out there and that people are really finding these types of things valuable. And the more I know that people are enjoying these things, the more I'm inclined to make more of this type of things for you guys. I hope that makes sense. But like I said, these are all free. So this top one here is going to be for Adobe Illustrator, as you can see here. The second one here is for Affinity Designer. And then the third one here is just a PDF file. Now, that is the one that you're going to use if you're using Canva. And that's what this video is about today. It's about how to use the shortcut on Canva. So that's the one that we are going to be using. But first, you're going to need to extract it. So right up here, it's going to say extract all. Now, if you have an iMac or if you're on an iPad or a phone, it's going to look different. But either way, you're just going to unzip the file. Sometimes you'll have to right click. Just know you got to open the file, you got to unzip it. So right here, we're going to click on the Sublimation Shortcut for Canva. And this is what that's going to look like. It's just going to say the Sublimation Shortcut. It's going to show Canva just so that you guys know for sure that this is in fact for Canva. And you're going to have every single template that I have to offer in the Sublimation Shortcut. So we have 20-ounce skinny tumbler template, 30-ounce skinny tumbler template, a pen wrap template for a 4.75 by 1.5 inch, and then we have the pen wrap template 5 by 2.5, and then we have the 11-ounce mug wrap, the 15-ounce mug wrap, and then the digital paper template. So I'm going to go over just a few of these with you, just so that you guys get an idea of how to use them. And let's just start with the digital paper. If you've never used these, this is an easy way to use Canva templates. But you'll just click where it says digital paper template. You'll see that it comes up like a hyperlink. and you'll click that. Now, when you click it, it's going to tell you that it was designed by Last Frontier Design Co., and that's my design company. That's where the name LFDC University comes from, if you didn't know. And so this is just letting you know that I am the creator of the template. Down here it says digital paper template, and then 3600 by 3600, just so that you know exactly what you're getting. So we're going to click Use Template, and it's going to put it right into Canva for us. So it could not be any easier, okay? So here we have it right here. Now I have added right here where it says digital paper template. I've put that on every single one so that you for sure already know that this is the template you're going to want to have. Just reiterating that this is the one. So we're just going to go ahead and select and delete. And from here what you'll do is you will either design your digital paper, and if you are designing within Canva and you're using the element, please understand Canva's terms of use. I don't want to go over them today because the terms of use of every website changes all the time, but I do have a video on the channel, and I will link it in the description box below, of how to resell items digitally. I think it's something like that. It's titled something like that, and I do use Canva, so I do show you how to use elements within Canva legally and safe. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to say that I have something designed in a different program. And let's say I use Repper, or I use Vexels, or I could use Kittle, I could use Affinity Designer, I could use Photopea, Procreate. I mean, there's tons of different design platforms. So let's say I have designed a digital paper, and now what I need to do is just put it in the proper size for each sublimation item. This is where the template comes in handy, and this is what it's used for. So I'm going to go ahead and upload one of my digital papers. Okay, so here is my digital paper, and I am just going to add that now to my canvas. So there we go, I've added it, and now I'm just going to stretch it over the canvas that I have created, because I already know that this is a 12 by 12, a 3600 by 3600 pixel canvas that I'm working on, or artboard, whichever you would like to say. And so now I know that this is perfectly sized for a digital paper. So all I have to do is name it something that I would like. So let's say I want checkered, kind of checkered neon, and we'll just say digital paper. Okay, and so now all we do is download that. I like to download my digital papers as a JPEG personally, so I'm just going to click download. Okay, and that one's done. Now let's go ahead and go to the next template. Okay, so here we are back in the Sublimation Shortcut PDF, and we've already done the digital paper. So now let's say we want to do a 15-ounce mug wrap. So we're going to click the 15-ounce mug wrap. It's going to come up exactly the same as the last one did, and we're going to hit Use Template. We are just going to go ahead and select and delete that. And we're going to upload the same digital paper. Okay, and all we're going to do is we're going to stretch it, move it. You can put it wherever you want. This is your digital paper. But this is the great part about having templates. So there we go. Let's say we don't particularly like that color. Let's move it up a bit. Maybe we like that. Okay, and then that was the 15-ounce mug wrap. So let's say that I want to take out that name, and I want to say checkered neon 15-ounce mug wrap. Okay, now we're going to share it, and I am going to make this one a PNG. Okay, so now that one's done. So now we go to the next one. All right, so the 11-ounce mug wrap is going to be exactly the same, but let's say that we want to do a 20-ounce skinny tumbler template. So let's go ahead and head over there and do that. Again, skinny tumbler place design here tells you exactly what to do. We are going to delete this. And again, we have created one digital paper, and we are making that one design stretch for us to make us the most amount of money on our platforms. Okay, and then maybe that's how I want that to go. So I am just going to take out the word template here, and I am going to delete that. And again, checkered neon 20-ounce skinny tumbler, and I'm going to save that. And I always save those as PNGs as well. Okay, so now we have those 3 done. So keep in mind, this is exactly how you would go through and do each and every one of these. Again, the pen wrap is exactly the same. And you can just put it in there just like you would the other ones that we have just done. And what this does is it makes it to where it's so quick and easy for you to get so many done in such a quick amount of time. So let's go ahead and see what we have. All right, so right here you can see that we have these 3 designs in 3 different sizes, right? But they're all the same design. So I started with a digital paper, and then from the digital paper, I have resized it perfectly for somebody who's looking for a 15-ounce mug wraps. Maybe all they design are mugs, and that's all they want. They don't want a digital paper. They don't want to have to size it for themselves. This is very common. So they will want to only get 15-ounce mugs. So now you appeal to that customer. And now you've created a skinny tumbler, a 20-ounce skinny tumblers. And that's it. So you just use the sublimation shortcut just like that if you are going to be using it in Canva. It really cannot get any easier than that. Am I right? I'm so pumped for you guys to try these out. I think it's going to make your designing process so much more fun because you're not going to have to look around for the right sizes for mugs and tumblers and pen wraps and all the things. You're just going to be able to create one design and then put it on all of the different templates. I'm so excited for you guys to use this and really just maximize your time so that you guys can just design, have a good time, upload, and make that money, right? I can't wait to hear what you guys think about the Sublimation Shortcut. So if you are not in my Facebook group yet, please hop on over there. We are growing slowly, but we're still growing, and you can find that on Facebook at LFDC University. I'm excited to see you guys over there. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. It's super helpful for the algorithm. And if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that you get notified every single time I make a video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.